In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee on Freeagent for payroll. Whether you're a small business owner or a part of an HR team, managing payroll efficiently is crucial. Freeagent offers an intuitive system to help streamline this process. Let's walk through the steps to ensure everything is set up smoothly for your new employee. First things first, if the employee is not currently a user in your Freeagent system, you'll need to create a new user account for them. Head over to the Settings menu and select Users. This is your starting point for getting the employee set up on the platform. From here, you'll take a moment to initiate the creation of a new user. While adding this new user, you'll be required to input some basic details about the employee, particularly their name and email address. This is a crucial step, as it will help in generating their account and ensure they are properly positioned within the platform. Now notice that there's an option to turn off the email invitation for setting up a password. Why is this important? Well, if you are planning to input their payroll details right away, disabling the invitation can streamline the process. This adjustment allows you to handle their payroll configurations without waiting for the employee to intervene with setting a password immediately. As you continue, it's essential to ensure that the employee user is set with the appropriate access level. In Freeagent, different access levels dictate what each user can see and do on the platform. For payroll purposes, your new employee should be set with at least access level 7. This access level grants them the necessary viewing and editing permissions they'll need, especially if they are required to interact with their payroll details directly, or you wish for them to have visibility over certain aspects of their information in the system. Once you have all these elements in place, creating the user, entering their details, and assigning the correct access level, your new employee is all set for payroll processing on Freeagent. It's a straightforward process designed with simplicity for maximum ease and efficiency, eliminating unnecessary complexities. Now, as a quick reminder, it's always a good idea to double-check all entries for accuracy before finalizing any changes. Typos or incorrect details can lead to complications down the line, especially where payroll is concerned. An error-free setup means you're well-positioned for smooth payroll operations going forward. That wraps up today's guide on adding an employee on Freeagent for payroll. By following these detailed steps, you can ensure a seamless integration for any new members joining your organization. Thanks for joining, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful tips on optimizing your business workflows with technology.